A new school. A new city. No friends. Mia walked through the school gates alone. Her hands were shaking. Her heart was beating fast. She didn't know anyone. She felt completely alone. But today, everything was about to change. This is a new friend, a beginner English story. This is an A1 to A2 level story. I will speak slowly and clearly. The words are simple. The sentences are short. You will understand everything. At the end, there's a special vocabulary moment. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was Monday morning. Mia stood in front of the mirror. She was wearing her new school uniform. It felt strange. Everything felt strange. Her mom came into the room. "Are you ready, sweetie?" her mom asked. Mia nodded, but she wasn't ready. "Not really. It's going to be okay," her mom said softly. "You'll make friends. I promise." Mia wanted to believe her, but she was scared. They got in the car. The drive to school was quiet. Mia looked out the window. She saw the new city, the new streets, the new buildings. Everything was different from her old home. "We're here," her mom said. Mia looked at the school. It was big, much bigger than her old school. There were students everywhere, talking, laughing, walking together. "Do you want me to walk you in?" her mom asked. Mia shook her head. "No, I am okay." But she wasn't okay. She was very nervous. She got out of the car. "Have a good day, Mia." "I love you," her mom called. "Love you too, Mom," Mia said quietly. She walked toward the school entrance. Her legs felt heavy. Her stomach felt tight. Mia found her classroom. Room 204. She stood at the door for a moment. She could hear voices inside. Students talking, laughing. She took a deep breath. She opened the door. Everyone stopped talking. Everyone looked at her. Mia's face turned red. She wanted to run away. "Ah, you must be Mia," the teacher said with a big smile. Come in. Don't be shy." The teacher was a kind-looking woman with gray hair and warm eyes. "Class," the teacher said, "this is Mia. She just moved here from Riverside. Please make her feel welcome." A few students said hi and smiled. Most students just looked at her and then went back to talking. "You can sit there, Mia," the teacher said, pointing to an empty desk near the window. Mia walked to the desk. She sat down slowly. She put her bag on the floor. She opened her notebook. She looked around the classroom. Everyone already had friends. Everyone was talking to someone. Everyone except her. She felt very alone. The morning classes were difficult, not because the work was hard, but because Mia felt so nervous. She couldn't focus. She couldn't think clearly. When the teacher asked questions, other students raised their hands. But Mia stayed quiet. She didn't want anyone to look at her. Finally, it was lunchtime. Mia took her lunch bag and walked to the cafeteria. The cafeteria was loud, very loud. Students were everywhere, sitting in groups, talking, eating, laughing. Mia looked around. She didn't know where to sit. She saw an empty table in the corner. She walked to it quickly. She sat down alone. She opened her lunch bag. A sandwich, an apple, a juice box. Her mom had packed her favorite foods. But Mia wasn't hungry. She looked around the cafeteria. Everyone was with friends. Everyone was happy. Everyone except her. She felt a lump in her throat. She felt like crying. But she didn't cry. She just sat there, alone, quiet. Then, something happened. Someone sat down next to her. Mia looked up, surprised. It was a girl. She had curly brown hair, big round glasses, a bright smile. She was carrying a lunch tray. "Hi," the girl said cheerfully. Mia blinked. You. "I'm Lily," the girl said. "You're the new student, right?" Mia. "Yes, I'm Mia," Mia said softly. "Cool. Where are you from?" Lily asked. "I'm from Riverside. It's far from here. My dad got a new job, so we moved." "Oh wow, Riverside? I've never been there. Is it nice?" "Yeah, it's nice. It's smaller than here. Quieter." Lily nodded. "Do you like it here?" Mia thought for a moment. I don't know yet. Everything is so different. I don't know anyone." Lily smiled gently. "I understand. I moved here 2 years ago. I felt exactly the same way." Mia's eyes widened. Really, Lily said. "I was so scared on my first day. I cried in the bathroom during lunch." Mia felt a little better. She wasn't the only one who felt this way. But then, Lily continued, "I met some nice people, and now I love it here." "How did you meet people?" Mia asked. "I joined the art club." "Do you like art?" Mia's face lit up for the first time that day. I love art. I love drawing. I draw every single day. No way. That's perfect, Lily said excitedly. You should totally join the art club. We meet every Friday after school. Really? Can anyone join? Mia asked. Of course. I'll introduce you to everyone. They're really nice. Mia smiled. A real, genuine smile. I'd like that. Thank you. No problem, Lily said. And hey, do you want to sit with me and my friends tomorrow? I sit over there. She pointed to a table across the cafeteria. There were 3 other girls sitting there, talking and laughing. Are you sure? Mia asked nervously. Of course I'm sure. They'll love you. I promise. For the first time all day, Mia felt happy. She felt hope. After school, Mia's mom picked her up. How was it? Her mom asked as Mia got in the car. Mia smiled. It was good, Mom. I made a friend. Her mom's face lit up. Really? That's wonderful. What's her name? Lily. She's really nice. She moved here 2 years ago, so she understands how I feel. That's so sweet. I'm so happy for you, sweetie. She invited me to sit with her and her friends tomorrow. And she told me about an art club. An art club? That sounds perfect for you. Mia nodded. I'm going to join. It's on Fridays. Her mom reached over and squeezed Mia's hand. See? I told you everything would be okay. Mia smiled. You were right, Mom. The next day, Mia woke up early. She felt different. She wasn't as scared as yesterday. She got dressed. She ate breakfast. She got her bag ready. When they arrived at school, her mom asked, Are you nervous? Mia thought for a moment. A little, but I'm also excited. Her mom smiled. That's my girl. Have a great day. Mia walked into school. She walked to her classroom with her head up. She saw Lily in the hallway. Mia, good morning. Lily called and waved. Good morning, Mia said, waving back. Some other students looked at her, but this time, Mia didn't feel embarrassed. She felt okay. At lunch, Mia walked into the cafeteria. She saw Lily at their table, waving at her. Mia walked over. Everyone, this is Mia, Lily said to the other girls at the table. Mia, this is Sophie, Emma, and Rachel. Hi, Mia, they all said. Hi, Mia said shyly. Lily told us you just moved here. Welcome, Sophie said. Thank you, Mia said, sitting down. Lily also said you love drawing, Emma said. What do you like to draw? Mia's eyes lit up. I like to draw animals. And nature. Trees, flowers, birds. That's so cool, Rachel said. I can't draw at all. I'm terrible at it. Everyone laughed. Mia laughed too. They talked all through lunch. They talked about school, about hobbies, about their favorite movies. Mia felt comfortable. She felt like she belonged. 1 week passed. Mia went to school every day. She sat with Lily and her friends at lunch. She talked more in class. She even raised her hand to answer questions. On Friday, she went to the art club. There were about 10 students there. Everyone was friendly. Mia loved it. She drew a picture of a bird sitting on a tree branch. The art teacher said, Mia, this is beautiful. You are very talented. Mia felt proud. She felt happy. After the art club, Lily walked with Mia to the school gate. So, do you like it here now? Lily asked. Mia smiled. Yes, I really do. Thank you, Lily. For what? Lily asked. For being my friend. For sitting with me that first day. I was so lonely. I didn't think I would ever fit in. But you helped me. You were kind to me. Lily smiled warmly. You don't need to thank me. That's what friends do. Besides, I remember how hard it was when I was new. I wanted to help you because someone helped me too. Mia felt a warm feeling in her chest. I'm really glad I met you. Me too, Lily said. Come on, let's go. My mom is picking us up. Want to ride home? Really? Of course. We're friends now. Friends help each other. Mia smiled. Yes, they were friends. And everything was going to be okay. Now let's learn some useful words from today's story. The first word is nervous. Nervous means you feel worried or afraid about something. Mia was nervous on her first day. When do you feel nervous? Before a test? When meeting new people? We all feel nervous sometimes. It's normal. The second word is lonely. Lonely means you feel sad because you are alone. Mia felt lonely at lunch. It's a sad feeling. It's when you want friends, but you don't have anyone with you. The third word is welcome. Welcome is what we say to a new person. It means we are happy you are here. Please make her feel welcome. When someone is new, we should make them feel welcome. The fourth word is belong. To belong means to feel like you are part of a group. You fit in. Mia felt like she belonged. Everyone wants to belong. Everyone wants to feel accepted. The last word is kind. Kind means nice, caring, and helpful. Lily was kind to Mia. Kind people make the world better. Always try to be kind. Great job. You learned 5 important words today. So, what did you think of Mia's story? Have you ever been a new student at school? Or have you ever helped a new student feel welcome? Tell me your story in the comments. I want to hear it. This was a beginner-level English story, a 1 to A2. If this was easy for you, try our intermediate stories on Wednesdays. If this was perfect for you, subscribe. We have a new beginner story every Monday. Thank you for listening and learning with me today. Remember, always be kind. You never know who needs a friend. I'll see you in the next story. Goodbye.